for logarithm. We shall be talking about the characteristics and the mantissa. A logarithm consisting of two numbers is called, consisting of two parts is called the characteristics and the mantissa. Now, the characteristics is the number before the decimal point. The number before the decimal point, that's the whole number or the integer. The number before the decimal point is called the whole number or the integer, and the number before this decimal point is 3. So since 3 is the number before the decimal point, we say that the 3 is the characteristics. Now, from the decimal point, you go to the right. All the number from the decimal point to the right is called the mantissa. The decimal part of a logarithm is called the mantissa. The decimal point of a logarithm is called the mantissa. So that's that for characteristics and the mantissa. How to obtain the value of characteristics and the mantissa? Now, carefulness is needed here. You need to employ carefulness so as to ensure precision. That's to avoid mistake. Here, when you have something like 268 point, for instance, I'm using this number now. To obtain your characteristics now, you are to count the whole or the integer part of the logarithm. That's the decimal part is not included. When you count it now, you see 1, 2, 3. You are having 3 now. Then you minus it 1. Then you will have 2. 2 is your characteristics. You must know that the characteristics is always 1 less than the number of the integer or whole number. So when you have this now, 268, you just count it 1, 2, 3, then minus 1, because the characteristics, the value of characteristics is always 1 less than the number of integer. So this will give us 2. To obtain your mantissa is always available in the 4-figure table. So this is how characteristics and mantissa are being obtained. Logarithm of numbers greater than 1, in the sense that the first value of the number given should be more than 1. That's the essence of logarithm of number greater than 1. So to find the value, to find the logarithm of the following, the logarithm are here, they are available in the table. So remember, to find the characteristics part, we need to count the number of whole parts or the integer. Here, the whole part is just 1. And when you minus 1, because we said that the characteristics is always 1 less than the number of the whole number given. So, and we are having only 1. We are having only one number at the characteristic side. So when you minus 1 from the 1, it will be 0. So you write 0 points before the characteristics. Now, in obtaining the value of the characteristics, you pretend as if you are not seeing the decimal point here. So it will be what? 37 under 0, since there is no number at the back. So it was 37 under 0. So the value should be obtained from the table. Zoom the camera. 37 under 0. 37 under 0 is giving us 5682. So that's the answer to number 1. 5682. 5682. I advise you use your own logarithm table so as to see it well.